Hi, good morning everyone. I am Jagdish, Assistant Professor of EC Department, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. And actually, we all know we are actually discussing about the video lecture series of communication system. We are in the final unit, that is Unit 5, Information Theory and Error Control Coding. So, in the previous episodes, we have discussed some information theory source encoding theorems, that is Huffman coding and other codings. So, today, we're going to see about the Shannon-Fano coding and how the Shannon-Fano coding is differ from the other coding that we are going to discuss. So, in all the coding methods, the source encoding method is to reduce the, the redundancy and the memory. The compressing, the main application is to compress the data. That is the main objective of these theorems. But in each method, some advantage is there, some drawback is there. So based on our applications, we can use any one kind of a source encoding theorem. So let's dive into the topic. So first thing, what is actually these are the content I'm going to deliver. I'm going to share with you. So first is what is coding actually, and is, the simple analog using everyday exams like shorthand writing and abbreviations we use daily. For example, instead of in a message in a WhatsApp message we used to send a to friend in to ask where are you. We should type WHERE then YYU. But instead of that, we are using WRU. It is a simple version of where are you. So that means that WRU can be understandable to the your friend, right? So this is like coding. So coding is a simple version. So that must understand by the machines here, right? So machines is your computer system maybe or your mobile or some electronic gadgets, right? So this is actually coding. And why Shannon-Fano coding is understanding frequency and efficiency through library, books, organization, and filling systems. Okay, and building code trees. So visual step-by-step process using family trees and decision making flowcharts as examples. Real world examples, practical application in daily life from text message to another form of applications are there that we are going to discuss in this episode. So what is actually information coding? So like creating shortcuts. So I said already, instead of where are you in a full format, we usually mention as WRU. And how are you? HRU. So what are you doing? WDDNG. What doing? So this is actually creating a shortcut is one of the method to reduce the memory and also compress the data. Right. That is the useful of this one. And uh, impression magic, that is like packaging suitcase efficiently. We give shorter codes to letters that appear more than in text, and the smart organization, just like in organization in your closest with the frequently used items at the front for easy access. And the library analog is a very good example for understanding this coding method. So popular books get priority in a library. If you go inside, so very frequently used to buy some author books and some title books are very frequently used by the library users, right? So that would be placed in front row so that they can access easily. And very less frequently used books and author books were placed in the last of the rack. So like this kind of a thing, this is a very good example for understanding this Shannon-Fano coding. And the building the Shannon-Fano code tree, we have four steps. First step is count frequency. Then second step, sort by popularity. Third step, split in half. Fourth step, keep splitting. And visual examples, coding the banana, word banana, right? So banana here, so how many A letter appears three times, N appears two times, and B appear one time. So most frequent letter is A. So and medium frequency is two times, that is N. Then least frequency is B. So likewise, we can order it and we can code accordingly. This is the logic behind this Shannon-Fano coding. So efficiency comparison, different coding methods. So in a Shannon coding, so I said already in the first slide itself, we are going to compare the Shannon-Fano and with other coding methods. In Shannon-Fano, typically 40 to 60 percentage of digital file size is most text document. So in other compared to other, if the compression achieves 40 to 60 percentage. So the space saving comparison is shown in this graph. And some real world examples are text and chat message, which is used in very popular application that we are using. Without that application, we cannot run our show, right? That is your WhatsApp. And file storage and backup and streaming and media, that is YouTube or some other video streaming applications, that are all works under this coding method, Shannon coding method. So why Shannon-Fano matters means internet communications and mobile data saving, storage optimization. These are all the very important predominant parameters why we are using this Shannon-Fano coding. Other than this, we have several advantages. But how it is Shannon-Fano is differ from the other unique feature of this one is these three things. So thank you for listening. We will get in touch in the another episode. Thank you. Have a great day.